Hello, Dr. Al here. This is Chaos Clinic update market briefing for February 5th, recorded February 4th, 2016. My previous update on the January low, I said that I like this low because of its fireball nature. Fireballs will frequently pop up and retrace 100%. This one looks a little weaker than that. However, it has been working slowly higher. Had a good pop-up last Friday as expected. Then it's sold off some. Yesterday it sold off hard and then reversed, so it was a down day that went initially that wound up being an up day, and that's a sign of strength. So if I just look at a trend line going up here, this rally looks like it still has more to go. This is my XGO energy forecast, and as a reminder, this is not some pattern forecast. This is a simulation forecast. I try to simulate the market's interaction with the electric field. That simulation of energy shows continued upward energy into about the 16th, 17th, or 18th of February. Now, in terms of moving averages, far target up here would be the 220 exponential moving average. This is the 36 exponential moving average, which provided resistance for this down thrust. But we're now in a position to come up. If we get above that moving average, we could go considerably higher. That's about 1924. So that's looking at a daily chart. Now I want to look at an intraday chart. This is an intraday chart. This is the low on the 20th, the spike low. And since then, you can see that the market's generally been working higher. So, but if I look at significant points on this chart from here's the low at 0.0, 0.1, 0.2 is a sharp reversal, and 0.3 was this high up here, and 0.4 was a very strange sharp drop followed by sharp reversal. I spent a good deal of time looking at the market astrophysics of that, and a lot of high-speed energy cycles were occurring here. Now, if you look at this as a day trader, you see a great deal of chop. That's because there's a lot of disagreement amongst the flash boys running their computers about which way the market's going to go. But XGO says it's going up into this region over here. So if you just take an eyeball estimate here, up, 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 somewhere like that. Now, one way I like to track a market is with a simple chaos clamshell, which is 7 moves. And I've done my best job of fitting this to the actual data here. And that suggests that this late low today may give us room for a rally tomorrow, and then kind of sag off over the weekend down into here, and possibly up into that region. That'd be about 1980. Now, before I go on, I want to remind you, the fact that you think you see a pattern is no guarantee that the pattern will complete. any pattern can be interrupted by a larger force. An act of war, a default of a currency in a country, anything can happen. You're looking at some very close-in cycles, and there are always larger, bigger cycles that may come out of the blue down here and hammer you. So as a trader, you have to keep your head about you. You have to trade the odds, but understand that you're trading probabilities. This pattern will probably continue. But, so the opportunity you're looking for would be going up here, but you need to limit your risk, so that would be somewhere putting a stop somewhere in here. So that's my quick update for the Chaos Clinic. I'm not going to call the market all day long this Friday. I'm completing some software that I need to get done, because that software gives me a new capability. Let me just show that to you. Okay, it's going to take a minute. What that software does is sort of put an energy glow around the prices. And if you ignore these sharp red and white little lines and just look at the general pattern, which I can do by changing my script here. Now all I'm going to see are the broad brush strokes, something like a child's crayon drawing. So now if I look at that, I can ignore the sharp little probes caused by the fast trading generated by the flash boys. So that's my outlook. I would be looking, we do have the employment report tomorrow, and if the pattern holds, it could send prices higher. So good luck with your trading. Thank you for checking in with me, and thank you so kindly for your business. It's kept me free and independent all these years. Have a good trading day and a good weekend.